Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix online status unknown on PS5. If you're having issue with the PS5 and the status or status issue on your PS5, then you could try these steps. So I'm gonna provide you with a list of solutions. So here you could see that if you're having an issue with this, then there could be several different reasons. So first of all, it could be a server problem. Now server problem can cause the online status unknown error. When PS5 server are down, there will be system error for a majority of PS5 user, and there's not much you can do about this most of the time, and there isn't much you could do to fix server problems, but there are ways you could tell if this is the reason why an online status would be unavailable. Once you have decided whether the issue is attributed to a server outage, it will show you the steps to take the scenario. And likewise, it could also be a bug. So other things like bug can cause such an issue. So you will need to wait for PS5 to fix this. However, this can take a while. A bug comes about when your PS5 software hasn't been updated in a while, which leaves opportunities for vulnerabilities in the softwares to become compromised. Apart from it, you could also try updating your Steam software. It can prevent the errors from showing up, which you could do it. And likewise, it could be a bad internet connection, so you could either turn off your router and restart it one more time, or you could just wait till they fix the server problem. So these are some of the ways to fix your PS5 online status unknown issue. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.